When people think about farming in Dominica, they often imagine endless rain, flowing rivers, lush green landscapes. With all that natural beauty, it might seem like water would never be a problem. But for small farmers, irrigation remains one of the biggest challenges they face. While Dominica receives a significant amount of rain each year, that rain doesn't always fall when crops need them the most. Farmers can experience weeks of dry weather during critical growing periods, putting stress on the vegetables, the fruits, and other crops.